Okay, so here we have the files, and here we cannot select any of the text, which means this is an image. And here, if you see, we can select the text, which means this is not an image. This is a native PDF document or a digital PDF document, which is generated by our systems, right? And here, this is something that an image was turned into a PDF. So here, by seeing this and by doing all this manipulations, right, we could able to get to know that this is a digital and native PDF, and this was a scanned PDF. Uh, how you will get to know when you are when you are trying to do that through UiPath? How your UiPath will get to know whether the document is a scanned document or a digital document? Any idea, guys? How can you identify whether the given document is a scanned document or a digital document?
No idea, Path.
Okay. So let us explore our PDF activities. So we don't have the PDF, so we will install the PDF activities. So now I can see the PDF documents. Export PDF page as an image. Like for each page of the PDF, right, it will be converted to images. Let us try this activity. I'll take this digital file, and the output file name, what I will give is, I'll take this folder. I can directly put right page dot png. The properties, I need to give the page number, exactly which page we want to convert to the image. So let me put one. So it will be converted to the image. This password is in case your PDF document is password protected. For example, if you deal with your Form 16 or your credit card statements, right, you will be having some password to enter. So you need to give the password in case if your PDF document is password protected. And the DPI is dots per index. The resolution it will differ. In case if you put 270, it will go with the 270 resolution. So the quality of the image will good. If you see the DPI of an image is more, which means that quality of the image is good. Let us run this and see. Just come here. So I got the image.png. If I open, this is my first page of the document, right? So it was got converted to the image. What's this? Yeah. We can get whatever the images, like in some PDF documents, right? Like if you see some documentations where you'll find some information about some articles or somewhere, right? your document will have some images, and you can read those images and you can store them into a folder. Extract images from the PDF. So you can pass in your file name, and all the images will be stored at some folder. Let us do the same with this.
But we can't do any modification on the images, right? Let's say if I want to uh, change something, if I want to change content of that image, right? That I we can't do that, right?
No, no, we cannot. So wanna give the
Okay.
output folder. So the folder path I'll give this, or else like let me put a new folder here. Let me give this folder there. See, let me go to the view preview panel. See here, all the images are got separated out. In each and every page we have, right? All these pages are got extracted. So these are the only images we have inside of this particular file. So we got this image, we got this image, we got this image, we got this image. So we have these images on each and every page. So it is giving me each and every image. So we could able to extract all the images from this particular PDF file, and we could able to store it into a folder. That's what this extract images from PDF will do. Let me delete this. So now I have a file and I am having 6 pages in this, right? So I don't want to have all these pages. I want to have only one page, either it is one or three or like that. So what I will do is I'll use this extract PDF page range, which means I can get the pages file dot PDF. I can get the PDF pages into a separate file with the required file page numbers. So let me see. We are supposed this thing, right? Yeah. So I can put one and let us run this. Let's come back. Your file.pdf. This I have only one page, which is of page one. So let us do one thing. I want to have 1 to 3 pages. One, two, and three. I need those as a separate file. I can just simply put 1-3. Debug this. Now I got the first 3 pages. Okay. Now how I want is I don't want to have a page two. I want to have page one and page three only into a separate file. So what I will do is instead of putting this hyphen, right, I'll just say that I want 1, 3. So I want to have only page one and page three. So we have the 2 pages. One is with the page one, and the next is this third page. If you see here, third page is starting from the 11 number. So this is how we can extract required pages into a separate PDF file from the existing PDF file. Are we clear till this? Of course, there is nothing, just we are directly using the existing activities. Though if you have any questions, let me know in between. Okay. Get PDF page count. I want to get the number of pages I'm having in my PDF. Page count. You can just put box. We have 6. If we go here, we have 6 pages. So it could able to return us the number of pages. Join PDF files. In case if you want to join 2 PDF files, right? Let us join the 2 PDFs. Join PDF.pdf, and we'll go to the properties. We need to go the file list. What I will do is I'll take all the PDF documents from this, or else I'll just take all the PDF files, which is starting with UiPath name, right? So we have directory dot get files, UiPath asset.pdf. Option dot all directories. Okay. Now it should generate a PDF with the combination of these 2 files. Joined PDF. So we have this file. After 6 pages, the next PDF file got attached. So you can join any number of PDF files you want to join into a single PDF. We can do that. So we covered all the silly activities of the PDF now, but we are reminded with the major activities. Right? Main is PDF password is like in case if you have a password protected PDF file, and if you want to have modify your password. So let us do one thing. Let me take this file only. .pdf, and I want to give the password. I don't have any password now. I want to give the password. You pass on this file and see. Let us go to this protected.pdf and try to open it. It is asking me to enter the password. I entered the password and clicked on OK. Now I could able to open. So we can keep our file password protected, or we can even modify the existing passwords, or you can remove the password. Even for this also, we just need to give this password into old user password, and now there will not be any new password. So unprotect. Let us run this file. Here the protected is expecting a password, right? If you double click, it is expecting a password. And let us go to the unprotected. I can directly open it, which means like we can put the password, we can remove the password, or we can modify the password as well. Okay. And now we are reminded with two activities. One is read PDF text and one other is read PDF text with OCR. Read PDF with OCR. So first let us read the PDF text. So I'm selecting this. See here, we just need to pass on the PDF file name. And in case if it is a password protected, we need to give the password. In case if the file is password protected and we are not passing any password, then it will not allow you to read the file. It will throw an error and preserve the formatting. Like whatever the format we have, do you want to get in the same format or not? So we'll see this. And the range is from how many pages you want to read the file. All the pages or only one page. So whatever we provided, right? Extract as a PDF, extract PDF page range. In the similar way, we need to provide the range. Like in case if you want to have only one, you can just put only one number. And in case if you want to have from 1 to 4, you just need to put 1-4. In case if you want to have only 1 and 3, just we need to put 1, 3. So we'll see that. And first let us read from all the pages. Control K. Let us write it in a log message. See here, I got all the text. Whatever we have, got all the text from all the pages. Okay. And let us change some parameters and see how the things are going. Just read the description. Let us go with the true. See here. Previously, we are getting everything in the single line, like there is no indentation is there. But now we could able to see the indentation. Like whatever the format we have, right? Like it is in the middle, and then we have like this, and in the end also you have skill RPA, and then you got the phone number right side, right? So it is giving you the same structure, whatever we have. And in case if you are not giving this true or like if you are giving it false, both are same. Because remember one thing, guys, whenever you are having some Boolean inputs or a Boolean values, in case if we are not providing any value by default, that will be considered as a false. Now let us run this and see. We have seen the indentation, right? Now let us see. Here there is no indentation. There's one after the other, and everything is like starting in this way. So in case if you want to get the text in the format of the same how it was, then we just need to check this preserve formatting to true. And now I want to read from only page one. And let us put the formatting true so that like we'll get a clear picture. See, I got only from page one, which is for the string manipulations from here to here. Got it? And let us read a different file, which is UiPath course curriculum. And let us run this and see. You're not getting any text. Why? Because this is scanned document. So now, guys, tell me, how can you identify, how your UiPath code can identify whether the given document is a scanned document or a digital document? Are you guys there or no?
Yeah, but so I think if we don't get any output, then it is basically a scanned document, right? In case of
Mhm.
digital document, basically we are getting the output.
Mhm. You're correct. Okay. So when you use this read PDF text activity, if you could able to get some text, which means it's your digital document. In case if you are not getting a text, it's a scanned document. But safer side, I used to take, it should have at least 500 characters. The reason is, in case if you are using any scanner or something, right, there might be something that, if you see, right, if you do some uh, page scan using your cam scanner, right, this was scanned with cam scanner. In that way, you are going to get a text, right? That will be a digital text. So to avoid that, I generally used to take like the text should be more than 300 or 500 characters. Then I'll consider that it is a digital, or else it's a scanned document. Okay. And let us do one thing. Let me put an if condition. If my PDF text extracted dot trim is equal to null, which means I could not able to extract the data from the PDF file and I don't have any data now. So what we will do is we will use read PDF with OCR and we will pass on the file, and we need to drop an OCR engine here. Which OCR engine we can do? We can do any engine of our choice. It is not necessary that we need to use only one OCR. So we have UiPath, Google Cloud Vision, Microsoft Azure Computer Vision, UiPath Screen, Tesseract. So in this Tesseract is free and the other are licensed. So let me go with UiPath document OCR. For this, we need to provide the API key. From where I need to get the API key? I don't have anything with me. So for now, time being, I'll go with Tesseract. What happened? This is something, there is some problem with that. What I will do is I'll go to all packages. I'll search for OmniPage. It's taking longer time than they expected, guys. So let it get installed. The meanwhile, right, what we are going to do after this, like comparison of this OCR and the digital documents, how we will be reading and from the page numbers and all. What we will do is we will extract the information from this particular invoice. Okay. We'll try to get all these fields: name, state, invoice number, date, purchase order number, and bill to, ship to. We'll try to capture as much as we can, and we'll try to capture the line items as well with the help of regular expressions, not with document understanding or something. Anyhow, like we are going to do these things with the document understanding, but um, we will try to do with this, like we'll capture the total amount and all this information with the help of regex and all. Okay, and we will be doing this as part of our tomorrow session. Probably we'll try to capture this item descriptions and all, right? So that may take a bit time in case if we want to extract this, but it is a bit hard and unrealistic or which is not required also. But to explore more, we will try to capture as much as we can do from this, so that, see, let us suppose if you are having only one or two formats and your customer is not ready to implement document understanding, then you'll end up of doing this extraction of this information. And we'll see what are the different possible ways to extract this information, which is the better approach or a best way to do that, or easy way, other than the document understanding. And anyhow, like we are going to do that, the document understanding as well. Okay.
Okay, Path.
It's still going. Yeah, still loading and loading and loading. I'll do one thing, like let it get installed. See, that is the way we generally install the things, and we'll pick up this the different, like how we are be reading with the OCR also tomorrow. Will that be fine? We are
Okay,
waiting
Path. Yeah.
since 10 to 15 minutes at this place only, man. Without that is getting installed, we cannot do anything. So, okay.
So are you in office or are you taking class from your home?
Sorry.
Are you in office or are you taking class from your home?
Today I'm at my home.
Okay.